doing great. How are
You
you?
cute. All right. You look good.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, thank you, thank you. You also looking so sweet.
You welcome. Sweet.
Yeah.
You said sweet. That's awesome. Where you from?
I'm from Bangladesh, and you?
I'm from the United States. Where you say you from?
Oh, okay. I am from Bangladesh.
Hey, okay.
Your name? Oh, what's your name?
Kim.
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 Nice name, Kim. Kim. Wow,
It's,
so
it,
sweet. Kim.
nice.
Okay, Kim. Nice to meet you, Kim.
Oh, nice to meet you too. It's
Why?
nice to meet you too.
Why you laughing alone? Why you laughing alone?
Because it was hard for you. You said Kim. You kind of struggle saying my name. You know, you hear a lot of Kims around you
Kim.
in your country. Will you stop saying my name?
Because
You can stop now.
yeah, because your name is so sweet like you. Kim.
Hmm. Hmm.
We're not friends here, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Shall the best man win?
But why you laughing too much?
Enjoy your day.
Okay. Bye.
Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Bye. See you.
See you.